Obviously we got a fantastic result against them at home, but we know it's going to be very tough come Saturday away from home. They're the two flagship clubs of the league. They're the two biggest football clubs, regardless of what anyone else says they are. They've both got history, good history, and it's always a good game. I think for me, every game we've played in this season, that was easily the best in terms of both teams wanting to play. Both teams were passionate about what was going on the pitch, and you've seen last year the results that happened last year. It's always a nice game to be involved in.
It's one of them games on TV as well, back to my old club, so looking forward to it. Yeah. We did well against them first game. We should have scored more. It was an open game, but hopefully it's a really good game and we scored a couple of goals, including myself. Hopefully I get on the scoring sheet.
Go slow, play the game.
We've got some young lads, a lot of inexperience, and that's shown so far this season. We've been beat heavily, we've conceded a lot of goals, but we've been scoring goals as well, which for me is how the game should be played. I think a lot of the games recently in modern day football is teams are scared of losing and we're not. We know that 3 points is important each game we play, but we're not a team that will sit and play for draws. We want to go and try and attack teams and go and win games.